Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the some models. So whenever you are building the rack systems, so sometimes you need to fine tune the reranker models such as BGE model. So today I'm going to tell you how you can train that models on your specific data sets, and based upon that, whenever any user is asking the question, so that user questions will go to the BGE model, and based upon user questions, that BGE model will try to retrieve the top results from the vector stores, or it will re-rank them. So for that purpose it is utilized. So you have need to create this some training data sets. Let's say if it's healthcare domain knowledge, where you are build the rack system based upon the healthcare data. Now how should be your data? So your data should be like, you have need to, in your data there should be one user query, then there will be one positive samples, and there should be one negative samples for that user query. So based upon user queries, positive samples are nothing but that BG reranker should focus on those all positive samples while retrieving data, and negative samples are utilized for the penalize models. So indirectly it's utilized the one spatial loss function, so it's called as InfoNCE, and the long form of that one is like, it's called as contrastive loss of representation learning. So based upon that it will try to optimize its loss, and it will model will learn from our training data, and it will give us the results. So many of you don't know about that InfoNCE loss, or the long form is like contrastive loss for representation learning. So that's the very important. And if you are build the your rack systems for the specific domain, then definitely you can't utilize the generalized models. So you have need to utilize one specific models or fine tune models. So and nowadays many of are utilizing that BGE and version 1 model, so it's related to the that specific reranker. So let me know, I will ask you some questions, so you can give those questions answers into the comments. So tell me like on which architecture that model is based. Is it bird based or encoder based, decoder based? How many it has a layer dimensions, maximum input length, and how you can evaluate it, how you can implement in your rack systems, how you can reduce the latency, how you will evaluate that train model. So let's say if anyone have work on this, then please try to give answer this into the comment. I will check those answers and I will reply them back. So let me know how you have found that video, and if you have any other required to make video on any other topic, then please let me know. I will try to make that. Thank you.